To use the PIN-activated security system on your Polaris RZR, follow these steps. Models built before December 7th of 2020 will need this feature activated by their dealer. Begin by pressing the Settings button on the console to enter the Settings menu, and then select All Settings. Continue by selecting Vehicle Settings from the left toolbar. Then select Passcode Unlock and switch on Require PIN to start. Note that this can also be done by navigating through the instrument cluster. If this is your first time activating P.A.S.S, you will be prompted to enter a new PIN. Once a PIN is created, enter and verify the new PIN. After activating P.A.S.S for the first time, turn off the vehicle and allow the ECM to fully shut down before restarting. This may take up to 3 minutes. Once the vehicle has been restarted, a prompt for your PIN will appear on both the ride command display and instrument panel. The PIN will only need to be entered in one of these areas to operate the vehicle. To enter the PIN on the display, simply input your passcode on the keypad and press Enter when finished. To enter the PIN on the instrument cluster, use the up and down arrows next to the panel and press Mode to confirm your selections. To disable P.A.S.S, press the Settings button on the console to enter the Settings menu, and then select All Settings. Continue by selecting Vehicle Settings from the left toolbar. Then select Passcode Unlock. Finally, enter your PIN code to disable P.A.S.S. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.